Hi guys, I am here with the Lit Cube, August Lit Cube. I already opened the box, but I didn't open it to see what's inside. I just opened up the box because it's a pain in the neck to fight with tape when you're trying to make a video. So, without further ado, it looks like this month's Lit Cube is the Mermaid theme. Here's a card for the book. Oh, a free sample from the Cotton Candy Quintet by Aaron Hayes. Would you rather be a mermaid, a witch, a fairy, or a werewolf? Choose your favorite paranormal story and download samples from the Cotton Candy Quintet. Okay. And they give you a little card every month that has the theme. On the back it says the Cube. It's not just a book, it's not just a subscription box, it's an experience. They say open the box and see what's inside. What have we got? A coaster that says something that I can't read. Upper Rift? Apparently I can't read. I don't know what the heck that means. So.
Updrift.
Oh. Upper Rift. I said updrift. Upper Rift.
No, it's updrift.
Updrift. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how to read. Look, it says, I'd rather be a mermaid. And it's a travel cup thingy. There's stuff inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Okay, so it looks like these are like those, Crystal Light packets we have. Everly brand. It's
candy that tastes like mermaids.
yeah, mermaid candy. Strawberry lemonade, peach mango, and green tea with passion fruit. I might bring these to my friend at work because she likes these kind of things. She drinks these all the time, so I might bring those to her. Because the fake sugar makes me feel weird. We have some cards about some books. Aaron Stevens, author. The Mirror Chronicles. Oh, Updrift. Now it says that I can read it. Upper Rift.
I said updrift.
I said Upper Rift. And a little stickery thing that says, may all your dreams come true. Lovely. What is this? Wow. Snow cone lip balm. Okay. I might want to try it. It's Mermaid Snow Cone Lip Balm by Lippincott Soap Company. It's made in Pennsylvania. And I guess it smells like snow cones. Nice. Smells good. Tastes good, kind of. Okay. Oh, we got 2 books this month.
That's not good.
You can try it on if you want, Mom.
No, that's okay.
Okay, so we got 2 books this month. We got Elizabeth Fama. It says Monstrous Beauty. I'm too tired to read the back to you guys. But it looks pretty. I'm like super tired. Work has been crazy. But this looks good. I just don't feel like reading it out loud.
Oh.
And then we got Amy Bierce. It says Mer Charmer. But it's the second book in a series, so
Sorry.
that's okay.
Sorry, world.
Plain. It says that it can be read by itself. So it can be read as a standalone, but we also included a free download of the first book, Fairy Keeper, so you can read it before you begin, if you want. I might not. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, what is this?
What do we got? What do we got?
Something big.
Big.
Yeah, it's big. It feels so soft. What is it? blanket or something? Look,
You need help?
blanket. What does it say? It says it's a beach towel. I wouldn't use this as a towel. This is really soft. I can't read it, but oh, I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of the depths, and a great fear of something. A great fear of something. A great fear of shallow living. Okay. So it says it's a beach towel, but it's so soft. And it's too narrow to be a blanket, but it feels like it could be a blanket. That's not towel material. It's too soft to be a towel. Like, I wouldn't use this as a towel. I feel like it won't absorb anything. I'm having a conversation with my mother about this. But it's soft. It feels like blankie. But it's very, very narrow. Like a towel size, but I don't know, that's weird.
Well, you could use it to lay out on.
I guess so.
And not use it to shower, but
Yeah, it's a beach towel.
to lay on.
To lay on, I guess. But, I don't know. I'd probably use it as a...
You don't go to the beach.
I don't go to the beach. But it's pretty.
I
It's
like
softy.
the beach, but I don't go to the beach.
It is soft. That's all I have for you guys today. The only other thing I'm pretty excited about is that I got Ecto Cooler.
Yay!
Yay! I was born in the 80s, grew up in the 90s, and I love that stuff. It used to be like my blood. So I'm pretty excited about that. I got nothing else for you guys, so I'm gonna go. Have a good almost weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Mom says bye too.